Tampok naman ang kulturang Pilipino sa pagdiriwang ng Asian Heritage Month sa Calgary.
Kami pong lahat dito, buong Alberta po, particularly dito sa Calgary, ay napakalaki po ng aming contribution sa pagmamalaki ng ating Filipino culture and heritage.
Sa unang pagkakataon, inimbitahan ng South Center Mall sa Calgary ang Filipino Arts and Culture Society para ipagdiriwang ang Asian Heritage Month ngayon Mayo.
To celebrate our identity, our heritage, and our identity bilang Filipino-Canadians, we are as much as Filipino as we celebrate all the celebration.
Linggo, nag-showcase ang grupo ng boxing demos, paggawa ng caricatures at tinuruan ang mga dumalo kung paano maglaro ng sungka.
We are so proud that a lot of Filipinos get back to their heritage just through playing sungka and becoming more and more engaged with their own family.
Inimbita rin ng grupo ang ilang Filipino artists para bumuo ng fruit carvings.
The watermelon became centerpiece flowers, and the radish became this one, and then the rest of the carvings are leaves from the peelings of the watermelons and the cucumbers.
Sa susunod na linggo, June 1, sasayaw ang ilang mga miyembro ng grupo ng Karenyosa sa shopping mall at magkakaroon din sila ng isang ati-atihan.
Iyon ay mga pinamana sa atin. Those are all our heritage from our bygone eras where we still celebrate.
Naghahanda rin ang Filipino Arts and Culture Society of Alberta na magtanghal sa Calgary Stampede sa Hulyo.
We have dances, we have music, we have songs, and we also have sports to demonstrate and perform at the international community stage at the BMO Center on July 4th, this coming Stampede.